Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi. First, select a good quality short-grain sushi rice. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear, which removes excess starch. Then, cook the rice according to package directions, typically using a 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water. This ensures your rice is perfectly sticky and ready for rolling. Next, prepare your nori and fillings. Place a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of prepared sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a small border at the top. Now, arrange your favorite fillings, like fresh fish, avocado, or cucumber, in a line across the center of the rice. Now for the fun part, rolling. Using your bamboo mat, carefully lift the edge closest to you and roll it over the fillings, tucking them in tightly. Apply gentle, even pressure as you continue to roll forward, creating a compact cylinder. Moisten the far edge of the nori with a little water to seal the roll securely. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your delicious sushi. Use a very sharp knife, dampened with water, to cut the roll into 6 to 8 even pieces. Wiping the blade between cuts helps prevent sticking. Arrange your freshly made sushi on a plate and serve immediately with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi for a delightful homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.